For this 1-minute overview, we're going to look at the Great Eastern Cutlery Northfield number 56 Bird Dog 2-blade in Mardi Gras acrylic. So this is basically a dogleg jack with a spear point blade on the front or mark side and a pen blade on the back or pile side. And this is the Mardi Gras acrylic. It's kind of an interesting, colorful handle cover there. And it's a really nicely made knife, nice and smooth, nice walk and talk, sits centered and everything. I don't really like the function of the match strike pull. I think it's a little harder to open, get a purchase on it with your thumb, but it's nice looking. Overall, a nice knife, probably something that I won't use, so we'll move on. But generally a nice, very interesting and colorful knife, especially if you like dogleg jacks or the spear blade.